Hi, hello and welcome to another Savvy Gadgetz review. Today we're unboxing this. It's a Dyson light ball Animal. Oh yeah, and well, that's because we've got at least, yes, you're lovely, yeah, good boy. And we've got 4 of them. So we get a lot of pet hair, so we need something that's going to do the job for us. So it's an upright, as you can see, and it's one of the ball versions. Now we've had good feedback from one of these, which is why we've got one. So let's have a look. Let's say we've got welcome to your new Dyson machine, register, so registration card, and we've got the all important handle bit. There's the brush which goes on the bottom. There, you can see. And let's take that bit of box out. And we've got a upholstery attachment, well, looks of it. And another one. Quiet! It's on your hoover. Oh, looks like we've got some post as well. That's another brush, and then that looks like that's the hoover all the way down there. Oh, there's another bit. Okay, that looks like it might be part for the that. Yeah, newspaper, and here's all of the usual instructions. That's out with that bit of cardboard. That bit of cardboard and out of the main machine. Okay, some assembly required because I need to fit that together, but there it is in the bag. Oh, it's actually standing upright, look at that. Let's get it out if we can. In what can only be described as Dyson's typical colours. There's the oh wow, that zoomed in. How did that happen? There we go. New camera, new phone. My other one brought the farm. Let's get this out. There we go. Right. So, guess I'm putting that together this evening. Alright, so I'll put it together and then we'll see how much dirt it picks up. Yeah, look. It's a new hoover jet. Yeah, he's not impressed. Okay, so these are the attachments that come with it. They're fairly standard. This slides up and down with the press of this button just here. It slides down to the end. Once again, nice and easy if you're one-handed. That fits on the phone, and then you've got like an extended brush. You have this, which is sort of like an upholstery sort of curtain brush. Just fits on the end of your hose. Now this one looks quite interesting. My first thought was, oh, that's just a carpet cleaner for the stairs, and yeah, it quite probably is. But look at that. I've got no idea what that bit on the top does, but you can see the inner workings. Look. So yeah, look, you can see the cogs in there. Look. But yeah, that just fits on the end of the hose. But I suspect that's mostly for doing your stairs. Yeah, but there's some quite nice attachments, and that one looks monstrous. It really does. Not quite sure what it. You know how well that's going to pick up, but there's obviously some tape on there, some bits I need to take off of it. But so those are the 3 attachments. I finally managed to get that clipped on the side properly, and I've still got no idea what's supposed to fit on it. I've had a look through the instructions, and it doesn't seem to give any indication of what that is. But the instructions are really quite good. So the looking thing is shows you how to put it together, and that was nice and easy, even one-handed. Then you've got all of these different instructions on how to take it apart, how to use it. Let's see where the attachments go and how they attach and how to take it apart, what filters you need to clean. And it's like, I have no idea what that bit on the bottom does. Drive cleaner head with suction control, plus or minus. Okay, but that's on the bottom. And I've got all this other information here. Wash filters with cold water at least once every month. You've got all of these different instructions. It shows you how to take the balls to pieces on the bottom, and it shows you how to take the filters and wash them and do everything you need to do. And of course you've always got the Dyson 5-year guarantee. So yeah, very comprehensive. Oh look, so that's the bit I was just talking about. So if I can get some focus on that. Okay, so it says, this cleaner head is used for testing with the European regulations, blah 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 blah, maximum suction for ground and dust and debris plus level. So, using your Dyson appliance, there's some fairly comprehensive instructions on that as well. Okay, so you've seen it working. Those are the attachments, those are the instructions, you've seen it unboxed. Hopefully this has been useful to you. I need to say that we got this Dyson from Very, and we got it for £199. And because it comes from Very, we've got the paying it off by monthly thing going on, so we'll pay that off over the next few months. And that's a nice way to get a new appliance quite cheaply, really. Because you're not having to fork out over the period, all of that money at once, which is quite useful. So that's helped us a lot over Christmas, and because our old hoover is dying and it is Christmas in a month, you know, we can't afford to splash out huge amounts of cash. So that's ideal for us, and the Very payment system works for us as well, and it might work for you too. So hopefully this video has been useful to you. Hope you've enjoyed watching it. It's been informative. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Okay, so the instructions are quite simple. To put it together, you clip on the front, put the hose in the top, and then click it in. Yeah. Okay, so first let's put this on. So that apparently just fits on like that. Clicks in. Okay, that's good. That's a good start. And we lay it on its back. Yeah, that's going well. And this bit, right, so this bit no, okay, like that. Literally does just fit on like that. Okay, cool. That was easier than I was expecting. That's nice. And then the hose up there with this long bit. Now this was a bit that kind of confused me. The looking at that, the handle goes on towards the front, so that slots in there. It simply nail it to the table. Oh, hold on. Oh, hello. That's not right. The handle's come off. Broken it already. Okay. Oh, well, let's not do that then. That's the back. Let's pick the hose up. Oh. That wasn't straightforward. Okay, so do I press this button? Okay, that's kind of it, isn't it? Ah, there we go. Right, now we need this handle. It goes on the top. Right, that might be easier. Okay. this isn't turning out to be very easy at all. This bit's a bit finicky. That's come off, but okay, that goes on the top like that. Right, so just this down, fit over the front like that. Right, okay, good. There we're in action. That's it. That was a bit of a finick, but that wasn't too hard. Now I guess it's just a case of using it. So let's plug it in and see if it goes. Right. So unwrap the plug. It's really difficult to do this one-handed, you know. Unwrap that. Okay, so my mum brought one of these, and she says they're fantastic. They pick up so much more dirt than her old hoover. Now we have been struggling with our current hoover as it is, and with 4 dogs, it's okay, so we do get a lot of pet hair. Oh, right away, it's already on. Okay, so I still don't know what that bit's for. Oh, turning the other one on. I guess that's something else, some part of it, some sort of clip by the looks of it that you put on and ha 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 ha, look at this. That's almost cunning. And what fits on there? Is that one of these other bits? I bet that's for one of those. Maybe that one, maybe one of the other bits. Oh, it's come off. That's no good. We will find out, we shall endeavour. But that's definitely where that goes. Right, okay, so let's give this a go. And you've got power on, and that looks like the brush thing at the front. Oh, there goes, look. Oh, that is really nice and quiet. That's quite nice and easy to push around as well. I'm not really having to put too much effort into it. But yeah, that's quite nice. That seems to be picking up a lot of hair. And remember, this carpet was only hoovered yesterday, as you can see. That nice and flexible, easy to guide around, as you would expect from a Dyson. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's really nice. Let's see, the quick hoover. Let's have that off. And as you can see, that's already collected a lump of dirt. Look at that. Lump of hair. So cool, yeah. That is a very, very nice working hoover. I just need to finish putting it back together. Yes, I know you don't like them, Poppy, but they're a necessary evil. Oh, poor girl. Anyway, I will put some technical bits and bobs on the website, and we shall give you some technical specifications of what it can do, what it's for. But that's how you unbox it, that's how you put it together one-handed. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know it's been a quick one, but you know, time's marching on. I've got things I've got to do, including feeding the dogs. So until the next one, see you then. Bye-bye. Okay, so one of the other comments that people have made is that the hose attached to the handle isn't particularly long. And when you look at it like this, it doesn't look that long at all. But when you actually get it out, so it's about 1 metre, but I'm about 3 metres away now, maybe 4. Still going. So that's quite a stretch. For people who say it's not a very long hose, I've got to disagree. That does look like it's quite a big hose to me, and that is easily 3 or 4 metres. So there you go, a 4-metre hose, and it can folds all the way back in to there and back into the base. There you go, as you can see it's contracting. Look. There it is. And to get the handle in, you have to press that button. Yeah, it's all back. And then it just snaps back in, like so. Job done.